If you or someone you know is into coin collecting, you know how quickly things can get disorganized, especially once you start collecting different sizes and a few of those paper bills too. This Alcyon coin collector case is so awesome. We were sent this to test out, but this has made everything feel organized and protected like right off the bat. The case comes with a huge variety of coin capsules and foam gaskets, the multi-size ones, which make it easy to fit different coin sizes without everything rattling around. I didn't have to hunt for extra supplies. It really is an all-in-one setup, you guys. I also like that it included sleeves for dollar bills, so coins and paper money can be stored together neatly. I'm so excited. The case itself feels sturdy and well made. It's not flimsy, and the black finish gives it a clean, classic look. Everything stays in place when you close it, which is reassuring if you ever need to move or store it for long term. This is a great option whether you're just starting a collection or already have one and want to keep everything secure and easy to access. If you want a storage solution that protects your collection without making it complicated, this case does exactly what it's supposed to do, and it does it well. We will probably go and fill this entire thing up this winter. That's something that we love to do, is check out all of the coins, see which ones we have, which ones we don't, and we like to make sure that they're all in cases or capsules. So this is going to give us a great winter project to go ahead and get started on. The adjustable gaskets, of course,